Hello, wonderful Steamians and DTubers. Welcome back to my DTube channel. It's me, Madhushankar. Today, Saturday evening, I off from my working place, and I very quickly decided to go rainforest area, very nearest of my working place. But we spent over 45 minutes for reach this area. Name called is Kottawa rainforest. That's a fabulous scenery surrounded area of my site, and you can see everywhere some of plants, some of bunches of vine, some of biggest trees. Very cool moment. Climate was very rich to fall rain and some sound of thundering. I want to walk through this Kottawa rainforest area for relax my moment. Guys, what do you think? We spend a very busy life in concrete areas. We had a big problem. We cannot resolve that. Some of life problems, some of professional problems, because we everywhere tired, every time tired. We haven't a good positive mind for resolve every problems, every professional or life problems. So then we haven't any solution. Uh, we addict. We take some bad habit for resolve that our life and professional problems. I am walking through in a Kottawa rainforest. I came middle of rainforest. You can see behind of my scenery, and only a foot road you can see. Uh, there was a lot of bunches of some plants you can see very clearly, but I don't know how to pronounce in English this plant. Lot of Sinhala people pronounce that name called kakil. Uh, I am going in front of this rainforest with some risky condition because I don't use shoes. I only wear sandals. There was some toxic snakes, various kind of snakes, but my uh, two friends behind me, but they uh, cannot find this moment. They so far from me, but I want to show a big uh, scenery to you, because I every time find risky and hardest thing to provide, sharing with my friends and Steamians and Steam blockchain for bring more value to our blockchain. Uh, this is a really important blog because uh, I want to sharing a lot of things about life motivation and travel blogs. Uh, these days I made only travel blogs and live conversation included blogs. So you can see behind of me a lot of biggest and highest pinus tree. So it mean a lot of leeches here. So I believe some of leeches here, because I felt some of leeches catch me, but never. Don't need to worry. You can see very clearly there was only little ants. I'm going to another side of Kottawa rainforest, and I heard so naturalized voice uh, came from behind side, but you can see this foot road, and I want to go continuously go ahead. We'll see what is the noise he came from here. Oh, some of little flows, water flows can see. uh, you can see just now very clearly it's a very small water flow come from head of the forest and fallen to the downside. And also you can see some of main drainage line fixed for bring pure water to the villages peoples. I already going a lot of hike adventures, travel adventures, and I faced a lot of leashes attacks. So I know how I feel like leashes attacks. So I want to be protect. I want to be safe at that moment. So I don't think go ahead just now. Next time I can go through wearing boot or shoes. Mm, every people need to be take a rest and relax through uh, from leisure activities. Then your mind will be relaxed. Your mind going to be positive. Uh, there are a lot of leisure activities people can do. You already know what you want to do for be relax and be cool, and how to resolve problem through connecting nature everywhere providing a biggest thing to us, uh, but we want to love to them, love to mother nature, and we want to take care about our mother nature. Then everything can provide from our mother nature. She is our second mother. You must need to understanding this. And if you see some bad things happen from your nearest nature, you want to take disciplinary action to resolve it, then you can be a fabulous nature lover. Today's vlog I finished. I upload it to next day. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again with another vlog. Have a nice day. Bye bye.